Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I will teach you how to play Aim Botz map in Counter-Strike 2. Before I start, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. First of all, you need to download the Aim Botz map into your PC. The drive link will be in the comment section. Just download the Aim Botz map into your PC. And once you will download it, then you need to install the map into Counter-Strike 2. So to install the map, you need to open the Steam, go to the library, find Counter-Strike 2, right click on it, go to properties, go to the installed files, click browse, and when you open the Counter-Strike folder, then go to the game, go to the CSGO. Here you need to find maps, and you need to put the Aim Botz map inside this folder. So guys, you need to put this map inside this folder, and when you will do it, then you can close this folder. And now you need to do the important thing, because you can't run this map until you will change the launch options. So you need to right click on Counter-Strike 2 again, go to properties, go to general, scroll a little bit down, and here is the gap where you need to enter the launch options, and you need to copy the similar thing, guys. You need to copy the exact thing like me here, and then you can close this page. Now everything is ready to play Counter-Strike and to launch the Aim Botz map, and now I'll show you how to launch this map. So let's open the game. Okay guys, we opened the game. Now you need to open the game console. If you haven't activated the game console, you can go to the settings and go to the game settings, and from here you can enable the developer console. So once you will do it, then you can open the console, and you need to enter the command map space CS2 underline aim. So this is our Aim Botz map, and click the enter button. You need to wait a little bit and it will open the map. Okay guys, as you can see, we launched the map and now we can play the game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are very important for me. See you in the next video.